Welcome to understanding the distinct roles of .bashrc and .bashprofile in Unix-like systems. These files are crucial for configuring your shell environment efficiently. Let's dive into how they work and when to use each. .bashprofile is key for login shells executed when you log into a Unix system. It sets up environment variables and commands for your session. If bashprofile is missing, .profile is used instead. This ensures your login environment is configured correctly, making it essential for optimizing your shell experience. .bashrc is your go-to for interactive non-login shells. When you manually start bash, it reads .bashrc, setting up prompts, aliases, and functions. This file is key for customizing your command line experience, ensuring your environment is tailored to your needs every time you open a new terminal session. To ensure your customizations are consistent across login and non-login shells, source .bashrc from .bashprofile. Add lines to .bashprofile to check if .bashrc is readable and source it. This integration guarantees your environment variables and interactive settings are always applied, enhancing your shell experience. System-wide configurations are managed through /etc/bash/.bashrc, affecting all users. Ideal for administrators. This file sets default environment variables and paths. It's perfect for adding directories to path for every user, ensuring consistent settings across the system. This centralized approach simplifies management and enhances user experience. When using a GUI, .bashprofile or .bashrc might not be sourced automatically. This varies with desktop environments like GNOME or KDE. It's crucial to test which files are sourced in your setup to ensure your scripts and environment variables load correctly. Mastering bashrc and bashprofile is crucial for efficient Linux management. Use .bashprofile for login configurations and bashrc for interactive customizations. Ensure a consistent shell experience by sourcing bashrc from bashprofile. This approach guarantees your settings are applied across all sessions, optimizing your workflow. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Linux-related videos.